Hello everyone, today in this video, I am going to show you how to turn off and turn on incognito mode on YouTube. If you watch this video till the end, you will be able to turn on or off incognito mode inside YouTube. To turn on incognito, first of all, you have to click on your YouTube profile at the right bottom. After that, you have to click on Turn on Incognito Mode. Here you can see. After clicking on incognito, here you can see that incognito mode has been enabled. Now if you search or watch anything on YouTube, it will not be in your history. Now to turn off incognito mode, you have to click on your profile again at the right bottom. After that, here, you can see option Turn off incognito, you have to click on this. Now here you can see that incognito has been closed. In this way, you can turn on or off incognito mode inside YouTube. Incognito mode is basically to hide your history. Whatever you watch or search on YouTube,